squeezing me here because I'm watching something on the screen. But she has just been watching me for the last 15 minutes. Otherwise, she's always so interested to see what I'm doing as well. No, you don't want to go there. That's your son. And he's going to attack you as well. I'm going to have to stop him. Well, I've been able to stop her from getting closer. At least she hasn't stood on my finger, but I still feel her feathers a little bit. She's got such a soft belly. And she's actually admitting quite a bit of warmth. She's trying to climb on my finger now. I think one foot anyway. I'll have to pick her up if she puts her other foot on me. You wanting to sit on my finger? Or oh, come on, guys. Come on, oh, there we go, she's on my finger. Hey Keeley. How are you doing, sweetie? Oh, don't worry, babe. You okay? Yeah, fly up to that perch over your shoulder. Fly up to that new perch I've set up. Just there. If you can, or do you want me to pick you up? No. Okay.